since daylight savings time, and there's more daylight during the evening time, I decided to take a walk down here in my little town of Loyall, Kentucky. And I don't know whose idea this was to put a walking trail down here, but I commend whoever it was thought of this, because this is a great idea. Only thing, we need to keep this cleaned up. Okay, that kind of scared me because that dog started barking at me. But I think it's chained up or whatever, so yeah. But yeah, it really needs to be kept clean down here. I just wonder what's going to happen when it floods. I don't know, because water has been all the way up to the houses here, so I don't know what will happen to this when it floods, but I guess we will see. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is a huge fish right there. That's a big one. Well, I was going to stop filming, but it's coming closer to the top of the water. Oh, now it's going back down. Oh, but yeah, that's huge. I'm getting a smell of very fishy. Weird. So if you've been watching my YouTube here lately, you will see that I've been doing reviews on movies. And like I had said, that was something I could do during those winter months when there wasn't a lot of sun and it was too cold and snowy and rainy and just terrible like that. But check those out. Should I keep doing those? Let me know in the comments if I should keep doing those movie reviews like that. It would be really nice if there was a place to go back up right through here. And it would also be a whole lot nicer if all this garbage was cleaned up. Which, send the inmates down here. Get this cleaned up. Oh, the river got narrow there. Oh, guys, it feels so nice out today. It rained a little. It was warm. Cooled off a little bit. Rained a little more. And right now it just feels perfect. Wow. There really needs to be a way up. And right down there is the park right up on top there. And it would be nice to, have a trail that goes up to the park. See what I'm saying? It would not take much just to put some steps up through there. Or a little trail or something up there. Why stop here? So here's a little trail right here that leads over that way. I wonder if it leads up to the park. Because I really don't want to go back and go by those dogs again. They let me pass once. I don't know if they'll let me pass again. And these things on the ground, I've already gotten my feet caught up in them. And that's exactly what that is over there. But I don't know. Let's see. Well, we've got some ducks over there. Even though this water is filthy. But yeah, there's some wildlife. Guys, this is very sketchy. Ew. The ground is very soft, but I can see where people have walked here before. But, oh, this is terrible. And those little duckies aren't moving off that log. They're staying there. I'm just waiting for quicksand to grab hold of me or something because this ground is so soft. It's kind of scary. And before you say it, I did not stray from the path. This right here is a path.
Don't stray from the path, girl. Did you not hear what I told you? Once you stray from the path, you're lost entirely.
Now, I wonder if that's a beaver, a groundhog, or a river rat hole. Yeah, I'm not sticking around to find out. And there's another one. Oh. Okay. Do you hear that? Yeah, that's kind of like the sound of summer. I'm happy to hear that. But I'm kind of running out of path here. So I'm just going to walk up this. And right back down there is the park. Oh, what a sunset. Gorgeous. Whew, I'm so out of shape. But yeah, I did it. I climbed that. You know, right down there's another path, but I didn't see that at first. But okay, well, maybe next time. So I'm gonna walk back home because it's just right down the road there. And I will see you next time. Please like, please subscribe, show my channel some love. I have well over 300 videos. See you next time. Whew. So that was a nice walk, but I'm seeing a lot of trash down that way. And if you would like, we can schedule a day to come and clean that up down there. Maybe a Saturday or a Sunday, since the daylight savings time now, and it's, sorry, we're doing some repairs next door, but anyway, since it's daylight savings time and there's more daylight in the evening, would you like to do a couple of evenings cleaning up down there? I will definitely supply the trash bags and stuff. If you want to come help, just let me know and we'll set up a time and date and we'll get down there and we'll do it.